Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be quite frank with you guys, I honestly don't have any idea what I'm going to call this video yet, but I'm going to be moisturizing and putting my extremely dry type 4B4C hair into 2-strand twist. And I'm also going to be doing this with my nails, so I guess it's going to be related to my nails and my dry hair and moisturizing my hair, something along those lines. So here my hair is really dry. I haven't moisturized in about 3-4 days, and I'm supposed to have been moisturizing more frequently than once a week, but my hair is dry presently. And as you guys can see, this is my first video after my yarn braids. I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my hair using my newly hand whipped hair souffle. This is made primarily out of shea butter and essential oils. I also included water. That's about what I can remember as the ingredients for now. I'm going to go ahead and use this to moisturize my hair, and it's actually really moisturizing. I made it such that I don't need to use any leave-in conditioner at all before I moisturize my hair with the whipped shea butter. So this is just the whipped shea butter in a smaller container, and I also have my spray bottle filled with water and oils, and I'm going to go ahead and start parting my hair for my 2-strand twist. So as I part my hair, I'm going to part the sections I'm going to work on and then moisturize each section before I 2-strand twist to make it faster. Also, I think this video is going to contain something along the lines of the fastest way to 2-strand twist your natural hair with long nails. So the 2-strand twists I'm going to be doing today are small size, I think between medium and small size, not so small and not quite medium, so somewhere in the middle. I'm simply parting my hair at the back to start, and I'm going to go ahead and apply my water and my moisturizer to this section for starters. Guys, I'm not using a mirror for this, but if you have a mirror, please by all means use a mirror so you can see how straight your part is. And also, if you like your part extra perfect, feel free to use a mirror so that you get extra perfect parts. For me, I'm not quite particular about my part. I'm just particular about finishing fast and leaving this place. So my moisturizer melts very well. It's very rich as well, and all the ingredients in this souffle are very friendly and beneficial to my hair. The next thing that I'm doing is to comb through the section, and for this back section I'm simply going to part this into 3 smaller portions before I continue to twist my hair. So for this, after combing the entire section, that first comb through that I did was quite enough for the entire section. So the next thing that I did for this smaller section was to go ahead and part through with my finger, and then I proceeded to do the first 2-strand twist on this section. Now, if you're going to be attempting this with nails that you fix just like I have here, you want to take it easy, especially if you're not used to doing your hair with your nails. So just take it easy, work your way gently from your roots to the ends of the twist. And the reason it's easy for me here is because I'm quite used to doing this, but if you're not used to it, you want to use your nails to your advantage. Use your nails to part your hair. That's where the nails come in handy. So use your nails to part your hair, and or your hair can actually tend to get hooked to your nails, so you also want to watch out for that. But just go ahead and keep working on each section, and I promise you, as you proceed on the first section, as you work your way through your hair and into other sections, it gets easier, and you'd understand how best to work your nails through your hair and how best to adjust your fingers for the best hold. So I'm done with the first half of my hair. You can see how juicy my twists are looking. What I love about the new souffle is that it doesn't leave any product residue at all on my hair. So my hair is actually slightly damp, but you can't see any product residue at all. And now I'm moving on to the front half of my hair. Here I'm going to really show you guys how to work your nails, using your nails to part your hair if your nails are fixed and they are long. So I'm going ahead to moisturize this section. I'm going to apply my souffle, and I'm going to comb through the section after I finish detangling with my fingers for a little bit. So here I'm simply applying the souffle from my ends to my roots, and I'm working my way through my scalp as well. And after I comb through this one time, I'm going to show you guys just how to part your hair using nails. Now, the advantage of using your nails to part your hair as you twist is that instead of pausing to fetch your comb and then comb through your hair, applying your souffle and then pausing again to use your comb to part your hair, looking for a place to keep your comb and then coming back to twist your hair, you can simply just part your hair using one fingernail and then put the rest of the section you're not working on behind your ear or somewhere where there is space, or just tie it off and then go ahead to twist the section that you want to twist all the way down. So that's really how easy this part of the video is. I'm simply moisturizing the section, combing through it, and then using my fingers to part for smaller sections to twist my hair into. So I'm almost done with my entire hair. I'm going to simply explain the process again one time for you guys. I'm moisturizing my hair here with water from my spray bottle. I'm going to go ahead and apply my whipped souffle to this last section like I did to all the others, working my way from my scalp to my ends, making sure that the product touches the entire section of hair. Next, I'm going to go ahead and comb through the section, and then for the quickest twist out ever, I'm going to use my fingers to pat through the section and to go ahead and twist each mini section all the way to the end. Now, the entire thing took me no more than 1 hour 30 minutes, and that is actually less time than the typical 2 hours that I spend two strand twisting my hair in this size. So for that, I'm actually happy. So I'm done twisting my entire head. This is what my twists look like. I'm going to look through my part for no reason, and then I'm going to go in, freshen up, and come out to finish up this video. So I'm done freshening up. Here I'm just checking my edges to make sure everything is intact. I'm going to go ahead and remove the elastic band I used to tie my hair to make sure the twists don't lose shape. I'm going to do a little inspection one more time to make sure that all the twists are in order, and I'm also going to figure out the best direction which my twists are going to fall in. So my twists look extra moisturized. You can see the before and after here, and my twists on the right look extremely moisturized compared to the very dry hair on the left. So yep, that is that for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Please leave all your comments and your questions in the section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already, and do what you have to do and share this video out. Thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video.